In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, find the right project, add a new task in the correct place, and assign it to the right teammate so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by heading to Asana's login page. If your browser remembers you, you might go straight into your workspace. If not, you'll be prompted to sign in. Choose the Continue with Google option to move quickly. When the Google account chooser appears, select the account you use for work. If your organization manages Access, stick with your company account to ensure you land in the correct workspace. After you confirm, Asana will load your home screen. Next, navigate to the project you want to work with. You'll typically find your projects listed in the left sidebar. Click into the one where this task belongs. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct project now will save you from moving tasks later. Once the project opens, make sure you're viewing the area where you plan to add the task. Many teams prefer list view for quick entry and organization. Now, click Add Task. Before you start typing, glance at the section headers on the page. Sections act like categories or stages in your workflow, so placing the task in the right section keeps your project clean and makes reporting more accurate. Name the task clearly so anyone scanning the project understands what needs to happen. You can always enrich it with details, attachments, or due dates later, but a strong title sets the context immediately. With the task created, click the Assignee field. This is where you indicate who is responsible for getting the work done. Assigning makes ownership explicit and ensures notifications go to the right person. From the menu that opens, click the user you want to assign the task to. As soon as you select their name, Asana will notify them and the task will appear on their My Tasks. If you can't find someone, try searching by their name as it appears in your workspace. Assigning only one owner helps maintain clear accountability, even if multiple people will collaborate in the comments or as followers. That's it. You've logged in with Google, opened the correct project, added a task in the right section, and assigned it to the right person. Keep using these steps each time you capture new work, and your team's workflow will stay organized, visible, and actionable.